Hello guys, here is a quick geometry challenge. I will solve it using a few simple techniques. A circle sits inside a square with side lengths 4 and touches two sides, BC and AB. You are given another length of 3, EC is 3, and we are going to find the radius of this circle. We denote the radius of the circle by r, and since the length of a square is 4, the length of BE is 1. The center of the circle is labeled O, and the segment OF of length r is perpendicular to ED. Triangle CED is a right angle, so DE can be found using the Pythagorean theorem. Since EC is 3 and DC is 4, the hypotenuse DE equals 5. We do the same calculation to obtain the hypotenuse BD. BD is the diagonal of the square. And since the side of the square is 4, the hypotenuse BD is equal to 4 square root of 2. Here we need to note that BD passes through the center of the circle. In general, in a square, if a circle like this touches two adjacent sides, like this point and that point, the diagonal passes through the circle's center. Next, we draw OG perpendicular to BC. The length of OG and BG is R, so GE becomes 1 minus R. Triangle OBG is right angle, so BO can be found using the Pythagorean theorem, which results BO equals r square root of 2. From the equal tangents theorem, if two tangent segments are drawn to a circle like this from the same external point like P, their lengths are equal. That means PK equals PH. We use this theorem to find that EF is equal to EG, which is 1 minus R. On the other hand, FD is 5 minus EF. And since EF is 1 minus R, and since EF is 1 minus R, FD becomes 4 plus R. Similarly, OD is BD minus BO. If we express OD in terms of R, we can determine the radius of the circle. We already found BD as 4 square root of 2 and BO as R square root of 2. Substituting these two lengths results OD as square root of 2 times 4 minus R. So in the right triangle ODF, we use the Pythagorean theorem as this. We already found the lengths of OD and FD in terms of R. The length of OF is the radius of the circle. If we substitute OD, FD, and OF in terms of R, we will have this equation in which only R is unknown. Using the algebra identities, the equation becomes this, and by factoring out 2 from the right side and dividing both sides by 2 and cancelling out R squared from both sides and simplifying the result, we finally obtain R as 2 over 3. So the radius of this circle is 2 over 3. And that's it. If you find this useful, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.